very, very young, maybe 7, 8, could have been 9, dressing up like a clown, and my mother taking me to a children's hospital because apparently that's what I wanted to do, dressed up as a clown, and we'd kind of visit with the children and make them laugh and draw with them. And living in South Africa, I worked to help older adults. I also have very fond memories of being around people, around older adults, around people with disabilities. I remember delivering meals with some other volunteers to shut-in elderly, and I've always thought of myself as someone who was destined to help others. Well, I established Jenni Frumer Associates because I really believe that I can make a difference, and I believe that in all my expertise, what I've learned over the years, what I have to share is really what puts me in that unique place. Really understanding family advocacy programs, and as a strong advocate for human services, it gave me insight into what many organizations are doing. And I think that for those of us in human services, yes, we focus on the individual and the family, but in reality we're building community. We also recognize that domestic abuse, so prevention of domestic abuse kinds of situations, mental health services to people of all ages. I mean, the reality is that you can't be a successful organization without understanding how important collaborations are and developing genuine partnerships where people figure out how to leave their egos at the door and come in and really focus on problem solving and wanting to make good. An elderly gentleman showed up with his wife who was dressed in square dance outfit. Did not have an appointment, but showed up. He was having a very big challenge taking care of her. She had dementia. And she was happiest when she was dressed in her dance outfit. I really wasn't sure how I was going to help him that day. After 45 minutes to an hour, he left there feeling so empowered. And by the time they both left, he said there were things that we discussed that I was asking him about that he would never have thought about, and would never have been able to ensure that she would be cared for if something happened to him. So my mission as Jenni Frumer Associates is really to help other organizations and individuals within their organizations build communities worth living in. It's moments like that I believe in doing the right thing and feel that I've made a difference in this world, and I never want to stop doing this.